In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Metatrader 5 app on mobile. If you're new to Metatrader 5, or MT5 for short, it's a powerful trading platform used to analyze markets and place trades through your broker. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to get the official app on your Android device, along with a few tips to make the process smooth and safe. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, tap the search bar at the top. Type Metatrader 5 and look carefully at the results. You're looking for the official listing, Metatrader 5, Forex, Stocks, CFD and Futures by MetaQuotes Software Corp. Double-check the developer name because that's the easiest way to confirm you're grabbing the genuine app and not a lookalike. When you've found the correct app, tap Install. The download will begin, and the time it takes will depend on your internet speed. A quick tip here. Using a stable Wi-Fi connection can help avoid interruptions, and it's smart to make sure you've got a bit of free storage before you start. If you see a permissions prompt, review it and proceed as appropriate for your device. When the installation finishes, tap Open to launch MT5 for the first time. Metatrader 5 is officially available on Google Play for Android devices, so if you followed these steps, you're set. A few important notes before you dive in. MT5 is a trading platform, not a broker. That means you'll need a broker account if you plan to trade with real money. Without a broker login, you can still open the app and explore, but you won't be placing live trades. If you already have a broker, you'll later log in through the app using the credentials your broker provides. If you don't, consider researching regulated brokers that support MT5 and choosing one that fits your needs. For your safety, only download the app from official sources. On Android, that's the Google Play Store. Avoid APK download sites or any links that claim to be faster or modified versions. They can put your device and data at risk. The same principle applies if you're using an iPhone. Get MT5 from the Apple App Store, published by MetaQuotes Software Corp. That's it. Open the app, get familiar with the interface, and you'll be ready for the next steps in your trading journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.